In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move a list to another board in Trello. Whether you're reorganizing projects, cleaning up your workspace, or separating completed tasks from active ones, moving a list between boards is a quick and powerful feature that can save you a lot of time. The best part is that it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. So if you use Trello to manage projects, workflows, or team collaboration, this is something you definitely want to know. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Trello and navigate to the board that currently contains the list you want to move. Make sure you're inside the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple workspaces, because you can only move lists to boards within the same workspace. Once you're inside your board, locate the list you want to move. At the top of that list, you'll see the list title. On the right-hand side of the title bar, there are 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open the List Actions menu. This menu gives you several options for managing your list, including copying, moving, watching, and archiving. From this drop-down menu, click on Move List. A small settings window will pop up. This is where you'll choose exactly where you want the list to go. The first option you'll see is Destination Board. Click on the board name shown in the drop-down. Trello will display all available boards within the same workspace. Select the board you want to move the list to. Take a moment here to double-check that you're choosing the correct board, especially if you have similar board names. Next, you'll see the Position option. This allows you to choose where the list will appear on the destination board. You can decide whether it should be placed at the beginning of the board, somewhere in the middle, or at the end. If the board already has multiple lists, this helps you control the exact placement so your workflow stays organized. After selecting the destination board and choosing the position, all that's left to do is click the Move button. As soon as you click Move, Trello will instantly transfer the entire list, including all cards inside it, to the selected board. All card details, such as descriptions, due dates, attachments, labels, and comments, will move along with it. Now, if you switch over to the destination board, you'll see your list in the exact position you selected. That's it. The list has been successfully moved. Just remember, this method works when both boards are in the same workspace. If you need to move a list to a board in a different workspace, you would first need to copy the list instead of moving it directly. So, to quickly recap, open your Trello board, click the 3 dots next to the list title, select Move List, choose the destination board, choose the position, and then click Move. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful for keeping your projects organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.